time to give this F66 Cooper S its character with this REMUS exhaust. Sam's going to jump straight into this one. You guys have already seen Sam's been working on the car already, but I thought this was a good point in the video to showcase the exhaust and just talk about it a little bit further in detail. So this is the REMUS Racing GPF back system. So they offer at the moment two systems. One is the racing version with these small, it's almost Christmas tree looking like rear silencers, and the other, the sports version, has a much larger silencer for those obviously trying to keep the noise down and give it a little bit more sort of fruitiness rather than this, which is all about the noise and the volume. This is a non-valve system, so the Cooper S was never given valve control, which a little bit of a shame, but with this system we're hoping it will bring back that noise level without being too much. For those who have already looked into this car and seen where we are with things, you would have realised this does not have normally a tailpipe from factory. So again, this is an upgrade to bring it that sort of JCW style look with the single tailpipe. So this particular customer is going for a chrome version, very OEM plus, I like it a lot. Along with that, we've got this original BMW Mini diffuser, which is obviously full wick. It's massive. This is almost the most expensive part of the entire kit, but very much necessary when you're changing to a single tailpipe compared to normal, which doesn't have any. So as a whole, this isn't the most expensive exhaust system, but we're hoping it's going to sound good. We have no idea up to now what these sound like in the flesh, because this is the first of its type. We're July 2025. No one has documented or installed one of these. This is the first one that's been delivered out to a customer, and that is ourselves. We ordered this about, I would say, 4 or 5 months ago. So this is the first one in circulation. So interested to see what this one sounds like. But enough about me talking, I really just want to get on with the rest of this video and hear what it sounds like. So we'll see you guys at the end for some rev off clips and some drive-bys. See you shortly. So we're wrapped up now with this Cooper S, and well, straight away we've given it back its petrol combustion engine look with the tailpipe straight away. I always thought it was a bit of a strange move from Mini, where they decided even for the petrol versions to give it no tailpipe. Kind of annoyed me if I'm being honest. So this now gives it some more character. The tailpipe is very OEM looking. There's quite a few different options, whether you go for a black version or carbon fibre. We've all actually discussed it here, and although we don't normally go for the silver chrome, it works really well because there's so much gloss black on this car. So the actual system itself went on like a dream. It's what you'd expect with REMUS. They always fit perfectly. It's very rare to have any issues with it whatsoever. So it looks absolutely amazing, but more importantly, how does it sound? Well, you'll hear in a minute from the various revs and drive-bys, it sounds phenomenal. Given the fact what this sounded like from factory, this is a huge upgrade. It's never going to sound its best when you're just statically revving it. You're not on load at that point. But as you go down the road and hearing those gear shifts, it sounds absolutely fantastic. And I think this is exactly what this car needed, but was lacking from factory. So as a whole, we're all really pleased with this system. Obviously, there's quite a few bits and pieces to this installation, but given the fact it's not got any valves or anything like that, it's actually fairly straightforward. So enjoy the rest of the video clips. Hope you enjoyed the whole video. We certainly enjoyed working on our first F66 Mini. So I've been excited for some time to get this one in, but now it's here. I'm extremely pleased with the outcome. So hope you've enjoyed that video. We'll see you guys next time, and hopefully we'll see a few more of these coming in soon. Take care.